Hello guys, welcome to Unreal Engine. Today we are learning how your MPC look at you. Here we can see our MPC can look at us when we go to his closer. Our MPC look at our third person character. So let's begin our tutorial. First of all guys, we need to get our MPC. Here is our MPC. We search him to our browser and here our BP MPC, and here we have the blue pin, and we also find the aim class. Okay, we function it in the aim class. There is a class ABP MPC we created before, or previous class. If you need how to make custom uh, blue pins, animation blue pins, uh, you can watch it. So here in the blue pin, in the event graph, we make the function. Okay, and we also know what our third person character. So here is our third person character is BP Hannah. Okay, we need this character for his location, because our uh, our destination is to watch her. Okay, so in the blue pin, search here task 2 BP Hannah. Sorry, task 2 BP Hannah, and here we search get player character, and also here we need the mesh. Okay, get mesh. So there is the things we can't find in 5.7, can't find directly get mesh. In the previous version of Unreal Engine, you just search get mesh, you will be get this function. Okay, so here in 5.7 I can't find it. If you know, please comment. So we delete it. We need to get mesh, we find it. Now we search get socket location. Okay, and also we name it head. Please write the same name or F of your character head. Okay, exact the same name. And here also we promote a variable. We name it look at pose. Okay, and here we join it. Okay, and compile. So this is our basically our function. Now we are going to animation blueprint, anim graph, and there we have the main stage program. We click right button and search look at, find it. Okay, we join it, and also two blue pin is automatically create here. And here we select the look at. There is option bone to modify. We want to modify only the head, not the whole body. So we just search here head. Okay, so there is a head. Okay, and here also a function look at location. We select it, expose as pin. Okay, and here we create a boolean. We get this boolean and select this. Okay, now we already done our work. There one thing we need to do. In the look axis, look at camp, we also make it 50 to 60 as you want. I make it 55, and this is 3. This is we done because we don't want the player always look at the third person character, because when our third person character behind the MPC, the head will be turn the behind. So this is awkward. Okay, so our basically our work is done. This is easy. So now let's test it. Okay, so just hit play here, and now we can see when we go to the closer or player, look at us. Look at this. Wow, this is great. Wow, this is so nice, so nice. Look at this. So this is a great thing for our MPC because we need to realistic. When we make a game, it need to perfection. So previous class we make the MPC movement, and now we make a good important behavior of MPC that look at. So this is an easy class. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and comments. If you need something, you want to learn something from me, please comments in the video and please subscribe. Thank you very much.